Hi, this is Dan Molloy from New York City Math Tutoring and Test Prep. Today we're going to start a series of videos on the 2012 Physics Regents. So we'll go through and solve all the problems on the test that was given this past June 2012. First question, in a drill during a basketball practice, a player runs the length of the 30-meter court and back. The player does this 3 times in 60 seconds. They want to know the magnitude of the player's total displacement after running the drill. So notice they chose the word displacement, not distance, right? Displacement is a vector, whereas distance is a scalar. So his total distance is, if he started at one end of the court and went out and back and out and back and out and back again, and then the total distance would be 30 times 6, right? His total distance was 180 meters. But they didn't ask about his distance, they asked about his displacement. And he finished at the exact same place where he started. So his displacement is 0 meters. So 1's the best choice for that. Number 2, the average speed of the player during the drill is what? Again, notice they didn't ask for velocity, they asked for speed. Because his velocity would be a vector. Velocity would be a vector, again. And because his velocity was in one direction and then he changed directions, the average velocity would actually work out to be 0. But they didn't ask about velocity, they asked about speed. So his speed does not take into account the direction. It takes into account only the total distance that he traveled divided by the total time that he traveled it in. So, like I said before, he went 180 meters. And he did that in 30 seconds. So that is, he did that in 60 seconds. And that is 3 meters per second. Best choice is number 3.